In this video, we're going to explore Adventureland. We're going to walk past the Enchanted Tiki Room, as well as the Jungle Cruise and Indiana Jones Adventure. We'll climb the Adventureland Treehouse, and we'll end with a ride on Pirates of the Caribbean. Make sure to subscribe so that you can see all of my Disneyland adventures. Here we are in front of Adventureland, so we're going to take a tour in Adventureland and see what it has to offer. Let's go! We are right in front of the Enchanted Tiki Room and the Tiki Juice Bar. And in the Tiki Lounge, you get a nice little show with some singing animatronic parrots. Right behind the Tiki Lounge, the Tropical Hideaway. Get a closer look here. You can see all the lanterns up in the tree. Now we are coming upon the Jungle Cruise. There's the entrance to the Jungle Cruise. The one neat thing that I see here are the light posts. They're painted. Look a little bit like giraffes. Next to the Jungle Cruise is Indiana Jones Adventure, the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. One of my favorite things to do at Disneyland is to walk up the Adventureland Treehouse. It's a beautiful walk with amazing views. Let me show it to you now and also how it looks at night. Many of you may know about 21 Royale. It's famous, and sometimes if you're in the treehouse, you might see someone in the residence on the balcony or in one of the rooms. Now this is the line here for the people who are waiting to get onto the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. All right, here we go on the Pirates of the Caribbean. Yo, yo, ho, a pirate's life for me. That's a lot of water. My backpack's
Keep still. I'm studying the map. It's the treasure map.
Of this bewitching treasure.
If you enjoyed this video, please be so kind to give me a like, and if you want to see the rest of my Disney adventure, go ahead and subscribe.